good to have you here again. This is your realtor Omolara, and I have come up with the update of work on site in the Lekki Pride One. Recently we have just told you that the Lekki Pride One has been reopened for sale again, and you can see how much work has gone in here. We started by selling terraces and duplexes, and you can see that work has gone so well. So for every one of our clients who have keyed into this, we are already allocating that. So it is just the apartments that we have left for sale. Okay, so I'll take you through the journey to see how that has been done, how far work has gone, and for you to be able to already key into your own unit of 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom that is available here in Lekki Pride One. So follow me through while I take you through the journey of acquisition. I've shown you all of the building. I've taken you around to see how far work has gone here. You'll be surprised that every terrace you see here, every duplex you see here, have all been sold out. The only thing we have left available are the apartments, and that is what you can see. You can see how much work is going on. You can see the level of work right here at this time of the day. Work is going swiftly, and this is to tell you that we are ready to deliver to you in no time. So here we have a 1 bedroom apartment, we have 2 bedroom apartment, we have 3 bedroom apartment still available for sale. So you want to ring me up to get your own unit, because before the end of the year, we are going to give this house. We are going to allocate some of them to our clients, just like the other ones. We are having allocations time to time. So this is the certainty that I'm trying to bring to you that when we say we do, we do. You can see the quality of things we are giving to you in Lekki Pride One, and you can see it for yourself. The road network, the spacing, and everything, the building quality, and all of that. So we are ready to deliver to you and to do more. So we are waiting for you to come and pick up your own unit. For you to pick up your own units here in the Lekki Pride One, and with my number you can get through. So get your own unit here. Please call me up. My number is on the screen. Thank you.